This is how you're going to print payroll checks in QuickBooks Online. This assumes you already have a run payroll and approved the checks. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the payroll from the left navigation menu. If you can find it here, you can just search it right here. So we're just going to type in payroll, and then we're going to make sure that we're going to click on run payroll. And then once you run payroll, you're going to select the employees tab and then click the paychecks tab or a similar option depending on your QBO version. Now after that, you're going to select the checks that you want to print by checking the box next to them. Now next step is you're going to click the print button. It might be labeled print checks or similar. Step 6 is you're going to load your back check stock into your printer. Next is you're going to verify the check numbering and alignment on the preview screen. After that, all that's left to do is to click on print. And that is how you're going to print payroll checks on QuickBooks Online. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.